Hello guys, I welcome you to the tutorial series on UGC NTA NET Paper 1 Solutions with Explanation. And this is the UGC NTA NET Paper 1 2018 December solved version part 3. In every part, I am covering 10 questions with solutions with explanations. So if you have not already gone through the part 2, I am giving the link below. You can go through it. And also the 2019 June Paper 1 is also solved and explained. So I'm giving the link for that also. You can go and check it. Well, myself Dr. Dibya, as I have said that if you prepare for UGC NET examinations, it doesn't matter what paper you are going to sit for. Paper 1 is mandatory. So do subscribe this channel and it will help you to prepare for the same. Okay, so let's start. So this is the question number 21. Negative criticism as an element of classroom communication will lead to external sympathy, B. justification, C. defensiveness, D. demotivation, E. supportive listening, F. confrontational empathy. So negative criticism, Negative criticism means voicing an objection to something only with the purpose of showing that it is wrong, false, mistaken, nonsensical, objectionable, and disreputable. Generally suggests that disapproval of something or disagreement with something. It emphasizes the downsides of something. So negative criticism as an element of classroom communication will lead to justification, defensiveness, demotivation. So these are in option number 1. So option 1 will be the answer here. And also you should know about positive criticism. Positive criticism draws attention to a good or positive aspect of something that is being ignored, disregarded, or overlooked. People may be able to see only the negative side of something, so that it becomes necessary to highlight the positive side also. So a positive criticism may also be a type of self-justification or self-defense. Clear? Next question. The rhetorical approach in classroom communication considers teachers as fill in the blanks agents of student. Rhetorical approach is a method of attempting to persuade others through oral discourse in search to discover in any situation all of the available means of persuasions and the ability to utilize those means within the classroom situation. So influencing is the main concern here. So option 1 is clear. So rhetorical approach related to influencing. 23. Assertion A. Teacher communication is central to classroom management. Reason are teacher communication behaviors should not be used to regulate the classroom behavior of students. So clearly A is correct. Of course, teacher's communication is central to classroom management, but R is not the correct reason here. Okay, so option 4 is correct. That is I is true, R is false. Next, 24. Among the following, there are two statements which cannot be true together, but can be false together. Select the code that represents them. So 4 statements are given. Statement A, all poets are dreamers. Statement B, no poets are dreamers, some poets are dreamers. Option D, of some poets are not dreamers. So all poets are dreamer, no poets are dreamer. They cannot be happening at the same time. So because all poets are dreamer and no poets are dreamer, okay, just opposite to each other. So option 1 will be correct because A and B are there in option 1. Question number 25. Non-verbal communication is considered true. So what is non-verbal communication? Non-verbal communication includes facial expression, the tone and pitch of the voice, gestures displayed through the body languages, that is kinesics, and the physical distance between communicators, that is proxemics. So it is informal in nature. This option 3 is correct. Non-verbal communication is considered informal. Next, given below, are two premises A and B. 4 conclusions are drawn from them. Select the code that states the validly drawn conclusions, taking the premises individually or jointly. So, premises are all judges are lawyers. Option B, premise B, no doctors are lawyers. Okay, so these two premises are given. Now, if all judges are lawyers, then of course no doctors are lawyers, then what happens? No doctors are judges also, isn't it? So, this two is clear here. And no lawyers are doctors. That is also correct, because no doctors are lawyers mean what? No lawyers are doctors. So, 1 and 2 are correct conclusion, and that is reflecting in option 2. So, option 2 is correct. Now, question number 27. If ABODE is coded as ADRHJ, then the code for AGRO will be. So, in this type of question, you need to very carefully observe every letter of this type of code. So, A is just A. Okay. So, A plus 0 is A, and B becomes what? B becomes D. So, 1. Plus 1 means what? We are progressing 1. Means B plus 1 means B plus C, that is D. So, this 1 is incremented here. Then O is coded to R. This means what? O, P, Q, R. So, 2 increment. Next, D. D becomes H. So, how much? D, E, F, Z. 3 increment. Then H. Then E becomes Z. So, E, F, Z, H, I, J. Clear? If you clearly observe, then from 0, 1 is incremented. Okay, like first 0, then second 1, then third 2, fourth 3, fifth 4. So, similarly, now AGRO will be very simple now. A plus 0, A. G plus 1, that is Z, H, I, R, S, T, U, O. Okay, 3 increment, then S. So, AGRO will be coded to AIUS. Is this clear? So, if you have any doubt, then do comment me. I'll of course try to help removing your doubts. Okay, clear your doubts. Then, question number 28. Choose the word which is different from the rest. Mount Kilimanjaro, Shivalik Hills, Aravalli Hills, Nilgiri Hills. So, it is very clear that Mount Kilimanjaro will be the different option from the others. Because Mount Kilimanjaro, you know, just with its 3 volcanic cones, Kibo, Mwanzi, Shira, is a dormant volcano in Tanzania. And it is the highest mountain in Africa, with its summit about 4,900 meters from its base and 5,895 meters from above the sea level. So, Mount Kilimanjaro is the option. And Shivalik Hills, Aravalli Hills, Nilgiri Hills, you know from Indian geography. Next, which of the following can be validly inferred from the proposition all animals are wild? Inferred means you need to draw new conclusions. Okay, so if all animals are wild, then no non-animals are wild. No. Some animals are not wild. This cannot be said. No animals are wild. This also cannot be said. Some animals are wild. Yeah, if all are wild, so of course some are also wild. So option 4 is the correct answer. This can be validly inferred from the given proposition. Now, question number 30. This is the last question of this session. The next term in the letter series D, E, F, H, I, J, L, M, N, P, Q, R, T, U, V is fill in the blank. So, carefully notice these things. Means D, E, F, then 1 is incremented, then H, I, J, then K, L, M, N, O, here O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. So, D, E, F, H, I, J, you got it. L, M, N plus O1 means what? 1 is left. 1 is incremented, sorry. So, means what happens? Last term is T, U, B. Okay. So 1 will be incremented, means W will be left, then the next term will be X. So X, Y, Z. And option A1, we have X, Y, Z. So option 1 is correct. Clear? So guys, we have covered question number from 21 to 30 here in this part. The next part 4 will be coming soon, and that will be from 31 to 40. So December 2018 paper 1 solution with explanation part 4 will be coming soon, and don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that the upcoming lectures will be notified to you. Okay, so guys, take care, bye bye.